You know something, folks? I've been a maker my whole life. I started making stuff when I was like 8, and I've made stuff forever. And this may be one of the most rewarding things I ever made. And this actually challenged me. It was more making than I normally do. And, you know, one thing I learned is, you know, I've always been in the plumbing, heating, and air conditioning field. And if it was within 0.1, you know, tenth of an inch, that was plenty good enough. But when you start in guitars, everything adds a couple of zeros to that. So, you know, you get to the thousandth of an inch pretty darn quick to get your strings right and stuff. So, yeah, old Spike had to bone up and add some zeros to his math, but yeah, we got it done. So, hey, you know what it done? It motivated me. It gave me the mental clarity that I've had in a long time. Okay, so yeah, that's a good word, mental clarity. I've got more mental clarity out of it this time than I have anything in a long time. So I started replacing more of my tools I lost during the fire, and well, more tools than I had during the fire because I've already started buying other stuff. So yeah, I never really had a need for a fancy router, but now I do. And I could always get by with the old drill press, but well, I need a better one now. And a bandsaw, I had one, but it just, well, it got burned up and I haven't replaced it, and well, I'm gonna have to. I gotta have a bandsaw. So guys, it's all about getting things back together and getting back on my feet. But you know what I got mostly out of this? I got my mind right, and I feel better about it. I feel accomplishment, and I think that's what GGBO is supposed to be about. Getting back on it, feeling good about it, doing what you need to do to, you know, to get yourself right. I mean, you know, and if we can help other people that can get into this and help them do this and, you know, teach them, well, all for it. I mean, I'm not one to be teaching many. It's my first one. So y'all don't judge me too harshly. It's the first one, but, yeah, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. Help me out. I can appreciate it. But I know it's mine. And I know I put my heart and soul into every inch of it. So, guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you're going to have got a kick out of the old guitar. Spike's plan is to build scratch guitars. And somebody asked me if I was going to enter the contest next year. And I said, oh, yes, I'm definitely going to enter. And I'm going to enter scratch build. I'm ready to get going and moving and making some more guitars. And in a hurry, because I want to develop and polish my skills. I got this good on the first one. I know I can get better. And the whole point is make them till I get better, until I'm really happy with them. So, guys, thank you all. I hope everybody's got as much out of the Great Guitar Build-Off as I did, because to me, it's been just a blessing, and I've loved every minute of it. I want to say thank you to everybody at Clemson Guitars and everybody else that's in the contest, because we all in it together, and we all had fun, and hey, the best of everything to everybody. You know, right this second, you're looking at the last kit guitar Spike's ever going to build. You know, great grandpa used to say, son, that is smooth as a gravy sandwich. Y'all be good.